Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Our course fees are designed depending on your level of need. Beginner, 20 to 30 hours. Intermediate, 10 to 15 hours. Or refresher, 8 hours. Fees starts at P4,000 for the training center course and P5,000 for premium driving courses.
Make your mark, take our lead.
First experience behind the wheel. 6 vital things to remember when driving for the first time. Adjust the vehicle so that you are comfortable. Do not overthink the situation. Calm your nerves. Rid yourself of distractions. Stay on familiar roads the first time you drive. Stay away from interstates and major highways.
Let's help you make your mark.
Driving lesson prices in London start from as little as £10 per hour for new and beginner driving lessons in London. Please call London Driving School on 0800 612 6203 for great driving lessons and course prices in your local area.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.